we are just having this. 2 dish lang tayo for tonight. Then all protein lang. Lagay natin sa oven. Frozen pa siya. Salt and pepper, olive oil, and then super low heat lang para yun na yung pang-defrost niya. Tatabi ako ng konti para kay Finn. Ito rin, yun na rin instruction ni Camille. Tabihan ng konti si Finn na walang timpla. Last time kasi niluto ko sagad, galit na galit yung nanay. Bawal daw talaga maglagay ng salt and pepper, sabi ni Camille.
Pwede pepper.
My towel from Yardbird, yun, manok yan. This yakitori place in Hong Kong na sobra kong idol. Alright. As in, siguro we can do 150 lang. Silip-silipin lang natin. Leftover cheese, semi-hard, salted. Garlic. Garlic in. Fish sauce. Lagay natin yung cheese. Teka lang, I know what you guys are thinking. Leftover pesto. Let's put some olive oil. So, we got carried away. Nilipat ko na kasi ayaw ko ma-overcook. Ito i-reduce ko. Pesto, cheese, fish sauce, and then ito, para malapot, para masarap. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. I'm gonna put it on low again. Pero iba na yung cooking time ng this side and the other side. Ito yung steak natin. Slice it thinly.
Quite thin.
Apparently, it's not ribeye. So, medyo meaty siya. Very beefy, meaty. So, I think ang sarap siya na manipis. Hindi siya kasing lambot ng ribeye.
Tatakam.
Loko. Oh my god. Nasobra naman sa lapot. Just scrape it off, like so. Gusto nyo nipisan, lagyan nyo ng konting tubig.
Parang that's a nice sauce, no?
Oo. Almost tastes like pesto with talangka because sobrang rich yung broth ng shrimp. Tingnan mo ito. Guys, tip ko lang sa inyo, subukan nyo rin yung asawa ninyo. Bakit mata ko? Yeah? Okay. Olive oil, blue cheese. Yeah. Pag may steak kayo, kung kaya nyo siyang i-slice ng sobrang nipis, then mix it like so. Yeah, use your hands. You're at home.